What up everyone, Danger Delta here, and we'll watch another Texas Massacre video. Today we're playing Sonny, and we're gonna do this build, Fishing Backstabber, Fishing Grappler, Jump Start. And we have 38 in toughness, so you just wanna go up. Jump Start's right here, and the other two perks are random perks. So the Sonny build is constantly fight back, and yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, we're on gas station, and I don't know who they have. Sissy, Hitchhiker, and Sonny. Alright, so about this build, you kind of just want to, like, fight back or be careful. Another thing that can make this build kind of worse if they have, Suffocating Grip, but you have to stab Grandpa. But Fishing Backstabber can, actually work on Grandpa because it counts as a sneak attack, so I have it where I stabbed Grandpa and I kept it before, so yeah, I'm gonna have to do this game. Also, because I know all these people usually use a Fishing Grappler, so probably definitely gonna have that. But I might have to deal with Sissy because she can feed Grandpa blood. Also, this running perk, the one on the right, it's like OP, pretty much. Because he kind of is like done upgrading endurance at all. Sonny's endurance is like really good anyway, so yeah. I'm just gonna make noise. Doesn't really matter.
Look at this.
I'm gonna unlock this door over here anyways. Actually, no, I'm gonna unlock this door over here. Do we need another unlock tool? Come on, Danny, I already unlocked it. Alright. Grandpa's above there. Can I cut this down? Alright, we're gonna go up. Let's learn to see what we can do. Family's coming.
Look who's here.
Grapple him? No! Sissy, run. Cut her. Kept that. Run. She left Rihanna Santa. What? How did they not see that? Damn! Okay, what is going on, bro? This is like so chaotic. I'm gonna get more health. Now I expect Sissy to ambush me. We're definitely gonna stab Grandpa. Okay, this should be good enough health. And we kept our bone scrap from that closing encounter, so that's good. Probably gonna feed Grandpa because Sissy just kind of hit a lot of us. Yep. Oh, the Sissy disconnected. They're definitely coming down. Are they? No. Who is that? That's Hitchhiker, definitely. He's fast. Bro, they're feeding Grandpa. Oh, that's definitely gonna get Grandpa to level 1. Yep. And we're gonna stab him. If they like get away from the main house and like, yeah, go over that person with the barricade. Oh, bro, why are they still both here? Alright, good, they're running away. Is he gonna do the thing where he traps Grandpa? Alright, stab Grandpa. We didn't hear a bone scrap, but that's fine. Just run back down. And boom, all their progress is gone. Also caused a distraction, so yeah. They had suffocating grip. Ah, they don't. Alright. 2 people are here. Oh my god. Grandpa's still disabled. Well, he's already disabled. Shit. Okay, that. The pressure valve? There. We'll just backstab Sissy. Or not.
Keep away from us.
Alright, someone's feeding Grandpa again. That's fine. It's not here.
Now, where did you go?
It's Sonny. Come on, barricade. Oh, he hit me once. It's fine. Is our ability? Gonna slam. What? Oh my god. That was so close. I hate that, bro. I wish they like, I don't know. Okay, yeah, get distracted over there. I need more health. Pressure out. Oh, you trapped. God damn it. Is there bone scrap anywhere? There's bone scrap in the back, I know.
I hope the others are okay.
Sonny's still right there. I wanna. Why is he just. He found my footprints. Yeah, we gotta go.
Damn these freaks.
I don't wanna jump in the well, but we might have to. I'm gonna get more bone scrap.
Gotta keep out of sight.
Shit, hitchhiker.
Gotta keep moving.
Shit. Yeah, we're gonna have to definitely jump. Definitely jump that. On this side. They escaped? What? Bro. You're joking me. We're gonna immediately bleed out. Bro. Get up, Sonny. Get up. Where did they escape from? Over there. Okay,
I think I lost
I'm gonna try putting on pressure valve. Come on. Get up, Sonny. Bro, we're literally like so. Like, I'm not focused on. Okay, I think a big elf always spawns on here. That's a cover, which kind of sucks, but I'm gonna disarm his trap and turn this on. More health, I need that. To get us a full. Oh, they had something over there. Alright. I'm gonna pressure valve. Do chicken. I wonder if it works on a chicken. I should test that. Danny, if you got knowledge, disable his trap. I think someone's feeding Grandpa. Yep. Gonna turn this on. Danny, unlock the gas station door. Run. Ah, if I kill my bone scrap. Yeah, chase after me, bro. Totally. He's kicking the gen. Perfect. Get more bone scrap. Turn it off, alright. Add that chicken. Oh my god. Watch this, watch this. Slam. Run, 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 run. Oh my god, this door unlocked. Dang, why? Alright, watch this, watch this. Jump! Over the barricade. Bro. I wanted to distract him. Grapple him. Is Johnny behind us? Yeah, I was trying to jump. He hit me. Alright, we're fine. He probably tampered it or something. Wanna get 2 bone scrap again? I'm not trying to find health. You turn off car ready. I'm gonna go turn on the pressure valve again. No, bro! How am I supposed to escape? Literally. I think we just run a car battery. Literally. You're joking me, right? I really... Okay, I need an unlock tool.
Gotta keep out of sight. Gotta keep moving.
Bro, you're joking me. This is really bad. I need an unlock tool. One thing bad about this door is like, you can't get unlock tools. Kind of bad proficiency. Open this door. I'm gonna just kick the gen immediately over there.
They're everywhere.
What's that? There's bars on the door or something.
I think I lost them.
How did Danny not unlock this door? Okay, they just turned on car battery. Unlock the door. I'm gonna kick the gen. It's really unlocked the door for me, Danny, right? That's fine. If I get ambushed here, I'm dead. Can I just hide? Wait on the side. Come on.
Please, don't squeak.
Come in here. Kick it. It's my grandpa. You got this running perk to get more stamina? Run. I'm not using my ability because it slows me down. Come on. Oh, they just turned off. What are they doing? Whatever. Doesn't matter. I am leaving. And I think we're out. Oh, there's Johnny. Not gonna grapple him because that suffocating grip. Yeah, and I think we are out. Alright, let's get into the next match. Alright, we're on gas station. I believe. Is this gas station? Yeah, it is. Leatherface, Hitchhiker, and Sissy. Alright, let's do this. Let me get this unlock tool over here. And yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna do that then. Like this. Get this. Alright, and we're going to just backstab Leatherface. Yeah, I guess that was my job, but I guess that was Leland's job. I didn't mean. God, I need to stop doing that. I actually. Barricades are kind of annoying. Kind of take a long time to go.
Open doors with this.
Alright, I'm just gonna. Shit, what's this going up? Bitch! Backstab her bitch ass. Get more of this. Hurry, Sonny. Climb over this. Why? What's he doing?
What is
Why, Danny? Or Danny, not Danny. Kept the bone scraps go. I can unlock. Why, Leland?
do this?
Okay, she just poisoned that.
Okay.
Actually, like, look around while doing that stuff as Sonny. Anything that's not a mini game, like kicking a jet or turning a car battery, I think you can just look around. Okay, we are getting cornered. I'm gonna go this way, I don't care. I wanna go up that area. This poison is still here. Of course it's damaging. Alright. When that empty. No. Okay. It's a good distraction. Empty, bro. What? Go up here. Up here.
Clear for now. I should move.
Open this.
Here.
There's not bone trap here? Why? There's always bone trap here. Alright, I'm gonna unlock the door then. We can look around doing this for Sonny's ability. We can't. Oh, he just stepped in that trap. Come on, where is it? Unlock that. Alright, I'm gonna try to get some more bone scrap. Alright, there's health there. I don't want to waste that. Pressure valve. Not gonna take that. Use. Maybe.
That looks useful.
I get this slowly. Use my ability before, that's fine now. What did I do? Whatever, doesn't matter. Alright. I'm actually not gonna escape. Gonna help Leland over there. Because he needs some help. Damn, bro. Leland's really fucking pushing me around. Damn! Alright, that's unlocked. You really had to trap this. Can we just step in it? There has to be some bone scrap around here. Let's step in it, I don't care. I'll turn it off. Look around his ability. No one's coming. Alright, doesn't have venom. They turn off generator, bro. We are bullying them. Right back to full health. Alright, that's open now. I'm gonna try getting a bone scrap. Where does a bone scrap spawn? Come on, bro. I need bone scrap. Bro, I swear, I can't like find any bone scrap. Either all that or it's empty. I'm just gonna go over here. Where can bone scrap spawn? Ooh. No, I wanted to slam the door on him. Oh, bro. There's help right there.
Stay quiet.
Oh, someone help me. Someone help me. Climb it again. He misses. I'm gonna try slamming the door on him. First, take it over to his house. Bro, why? Then fight him. I literally have no bone scrap. Bro, this is so annoying. Like, I can't find any bone scrap piles. Why did you do that, Liam?
I can't get
Rapidly fuck around, Liam. Bro, I cannot find bone scrap, literally. Wait, Liam's still alive? I thought he died, to be honest. Oh my god, where is bone scrap? Okay, if there's not in here, then I don't know.
Are they really gone?
Bro! Is there some over here? Okay, there's, thank you. Bro, we like unlocked really every pressure valve. We didn't get pressure valve.
What is this?
Wait, where's Sissy? I'm gonna backstab Bloodface, because why not? Can you catch Grandpa? He attack you. Did we really not keep anything? It's just Hitchhiker, bro. He's just gonna like keep on staying here. God, where do they escape from? Alright.
Gotta keep moving.
Are they all disconnected?
Look at this.
I'm gonna turn the fuse box back on. And we're gonna get out of here. I should do pressure valve.
Where are they? Are they gone?
I thought Leland died. But he didn't.
Gotta get out of here.
Shit. Ugh. No, bro. Open it. Close it. Slam it. Already slammed the door. What is unlock tool? Just hide. You're joking me, right? I got an idea. I got an idea. This is my idea. Why can't I slam the door on him? Whatever, doesn't matter. Shit. For the barricade. Oh my god! Come on, Sonny, get up, get up. No, bro, where's Virginia? Probably a car battery. Get up, Sonny, get up, get up. Hurry, bro, get up. God damn it.
Finally.
Okay,
I think I lost them.
this is actually starting to annoy me. I'm gonna go for car battery.
They're everywhere.
Bro, where's Virginia? Just going to car battery. This off hitchhiker. Actually, Rusty, leave me alone.
Are they really gone?
This way. Let's run, bro. Let's go for the car battery. Is it still open? Yeah, let's just leave. Oh, thank you everyone for watching. We're gonna do Julie next and Kylo do 3 and bye.
I have to make it. I have to.